7 Seconds Quick Tips. In the Colorado Springs home, one of the things I've been working on in this house is really tying together the accessories with the furniture and the rest of the house to give it that polished designer look. It is amazing what you can do with accessories. It's also amazing how if you've got them placed correctly, it makes people feel just really good when they look at it. But if you have them spaced or placed incorrectly, it can throw off a whole room. So I'm going to visit with you here today about the artwork and actually the end table placement and lamps in this room. Now, when I was looking at this home, one of the things with it being dark is I had to have lamps that gave it light and really didn't add to the darkness, but instead it sort of just brought a neutrality or some light spaces on each side of the couch. So I had these lamps at home that, as you can see, it's a lighter wood. Again, we've got the mixture of woods, which is what you want to do with design elements. You want to mix up those colors of woods. And then I put sort of a burlap lampshade on as well. So this tied into the couch, and you know, you can buy lampshades at really good prices, either like at Ross, I'll pick some up there, or actually at Walmart. And so if you've got older lamps and you don't like the look of them, you might just need to switch out the lampshades. And in many cases, you can do that for under $10. The second element with the end tables I want to bring to your attention is there is a placement of items on there that actually works to really please the eye. So in this case, I like to work with groups of 3. So you can include those groups of 3 with the lamp, or you could actually have 3 items on the end table. In this case, I just got a little vase, okay? I actually got this at Hobby Lobby that is red to go with the items, and of course you just bring in ivy. You need some softness on the side. And I almost always use a book. You can get the books at dollar store. You can go to Goodwill, and I just pick up books based on the color actually of the book, not the content. So in this case, I just brought in a nice book that added a little yellow in there that created some interest. I set this on here, and so when you look at it, it gives you different heights, and that's really important too. So you've got the lamp that's at this height. You want the second item to be sort of between the bottom of the end table and the lampshade. And then I just love bringing in, well, this is love. It's black, which ties into the decor, and it's a really nice message. So sometimes when people come into the home, they might not really be aware that they're seeing a word like this, but it's like their subconscious actually grabs hold of that. And so it's a really pleasant thing. Love. This home, it communicates this home is a place where love will exist. And that really helps when you're staging. Now these I pick up, actually I still have the price tag on there. It is $4.99 at Ross. And so if you're looking for an element to add, black and something really pleasant, you can pick something like this up for as little as $5. So there you go. We took something, an element that I wasn't sure what we were going to do with, and we made it into a beautiful space that adds to the entire decor of the room. Thank you so much for joining me with 7 Seconds Quick Tips, and I'll see you next time.